Hey, what's going on, my decos? That's my new name for anybody who's following this channel, decos, which are kind of deconstructing, changing our minds from what we originally had thought life was. Now it's different. It's just, yeah, dude. Today's theme, forgiveness, big time.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up.
Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button on this video. I'm going to be opening up some Denim Tears. Tremaine Emory is definitely one of my very favorite artists, if not one of my favorite philosophers. In a way, he's somewhat a philosopher because he goes around, he makes some great documentaries. I don't know if you've seen him on YouTube. Definitely check him out, search him up, see what he has to say. He had this release actually a few days before Astroworld, so I wasn't expecting to get it so quickly. I would have opened it yesterday, but I just wasn't in the right headspace. I ended up spending some time with just a few friends a little bit, and then obviously Monday, like, I was just whacked out completely that whole day, just like trying to cover up my feelings and whatever. But anyways, I'm moving on. I mean, we're constantly getting new information about the whole situation, how it all went down. Honestly, we just need to forgive. I know a lot of people broke in, they were pushing up front, and we just gotta move on, people. I mean, life continues on. Definitely want to send positive vibes to everybody affected by it. I know a lot of people have sent me positive vibes. Thank you so much. Literally, I really needed it. And now we're gonna get into this Denim Tears. So exciting because I've been wanting the the Black Jesus with the crown of thorns for quite a while. It's from Denim Tears right there. Denim Tears size large. The last Denim Tears shirt I got was actually a collaboration also with Sky High Farms. They're raising money just for awareness obviously they want to bring awareness that people need food, but also that there can be community gardens and people who maybe can't go to the store and buy food. They're totally cool with caring for a garden and growing their own. Like, why not? I mean, we're humans. We grow food. That's just how life works. But anyways, this is totally different. This is just Denim Tears, and I'm actually pretty hyped about this shirt here. Here's the tag. If anybody wants to see, got our tag right down there with our little information. And this one is so dope. I have so many shirts right now. I really don't want to open it yet. But I definitely will at some point and work it with some fits. It's a little bit open already, the plastic, not quite sealed there. But our tag on here, it is a pretty high quality wash tag up there, or information tag. I mean, just has the brand. This is going to be probably 100% cotton. It looks like it is a little bit of a tighter neck, so that is a really cool feature. And then it is a size large. I'm 6'1", 150 pounds. So size large Denim Tears is what I'm going to be wanting to get. I do have that other Denim Tears shirt. These ones are a little bit sized differently, but it could just be pretty much, I mean, it's going to be pretty much exactly the same. Both of these are the same cut, it looks like. I was thinking maybe this pinkish one was going to be more of a looser neck, but it looks like it's about the same, maybe a little bit looser. They did spray this one, so each one is different. They sprayed it with this brick looking pattern, and it is the Mason one, so the bricklayers. And there's so much like conspiracy theory right now around Travis, and so I was thinking, man, this is like fitting because there's also a bunch of conspiracy theories about Mason people, like the old masonry guys, which apparently was supposed to be all male, and like you earn your way up by paying in, but that money actually goes to help the community. So it's kind of like, you know, its own little club, and you have to like be religious to be a part of it, but they don't have to agree on their religious affiliations and everything like that. So you just have to believe in a higher power and whatnot. I don't know if you have to attend a church to be masonry, but you go into that. I did get the Denim Tears socks. These were looking so cool. I just love that logo on there. I just got some new white Palace socks. That was in the last video. Oops, I dropped my phone. Who needs phones, right? Yeah, no need for phones. Athletic ribbed socks. 83% cotton, 14% polyester, 3% spandex. Little information there. Denim Tears logo on the front of that. Looks so nice. And then the socks themselves. I gotta get these out of here. Look at that. It's stitched right in there. I'm gonna save these, keep them nice. I have so many cool socks, and I have a bunch of Astro World socks that I got. Oh, from the worst Astro World in the history of Astro Worlds. And it was the one I had to go to. Why? Like, okay. Moving on, we also got this yellow Denim Tears Virginia hat, and I thought it was cool because I don't have a yellow hat, and it's Denim Tears, and it's like doubled over the Virginia. Looks like he made it so you can't take it out though and try it on without breaking this sticker, so there's the sticker. Okay, I think I figured out a way. Yes, hey, I didn't even have to break the sticker. Amazing. Gotta love it. Yeah, just a nice made in China, 100% cotton. I mean, yeah. Little tiny tag. Barely see it. Look at that embroidery. Come on. Dude. And it is just the one logo, actually. It's all just pieced together. Like, you know, the computer knew what to do where. Because you see it all the way through. So I don't think it's one on top of the other. Yeah, it's just all together. One graphic. But it does give the appearance that Virginia is embroidered underneath that new embroidery of Denim Tears. I always like to take this out. Like to take that out, or do you like to keep it underneath? I kind of like to have it stick out there as you're wearing it. But yeah, this Denim Tears hat maybe doesn't actually, it might fit because I'm wearing these double layer Eric Emanuel shorts. So it might actually kind of work with my colors, kind of tie it all together here. Let's just check it out. What is this? This is the Cactus crossover. That glows. Performance that glows. I wore this hat and my pants that match it, you know, whatever, to Astro World. I can't get it out of my mind. Like, every time I try and stop thinking about it, it just comes back, even though I'm wearing this amazing Denim Tears hat. Look at this. Thank you, Tremaine, for this amazing hat. Gonna be rocking it. My very first yellow hat. I like that bright, and it's actually a good graphic. Like, it's not just something silly. What are you supposed to... Look at this. Isn't that cool how it's on the sleeve, too? Like, walking out. Yeah. I thought this was... Okay, let's... Maybe I should try on one of those Denim Tears shirts. I really like the Black Jesus one. I think... Since you guys watched all the way to this point, I told you guys I wasn't going to try it on, and I'm like so indecisive with everything because just my mind just races in different directions, and just because everything that happened, you know, it's PTSD, and so I've got to figure it out, get myself straight, and it's working there. It's slowly getting there. But yeah, now I've got this amazing Denim Tears Crown of Thorns Jesus t-shirt. And yeah, this one is very similar to a lot of the new styles of t-shirt sizing that we're seeing from a lot of the hip-hop and rap genres. They're doing this like a little bit shorter and maybe a tiny bit wider. The sleeve's definitely wider, like the armpit goes way farther down. This is just a wider sleeve. And then the tighter neck, so it's really grabbing you up here, and at first people feel like they're getting choked maybe, but it's just nicely sits on your neck. Just a little bit extra fabric. Like this shirt, this has like a tiny bit. This is just like a regular standard neck, your head hole. But this one, I should not have said that. This one is a lot, it's going to be hugging your neck. So we have the Denim Tears logo on the back. There it is. Very nice. Yeah, bring some awareness to our past and how we can make the future better, and we can learn from our mistakes and just make a better world. I mean, things are bad. Things are going to happen that aren't good. And we can learn to make lemonade out of these bad things, or you can have a terrible life and just be sad. I mean, let's try and keep everything positive here. I want to try on this. What do we call this? Denim. What is this one even called? Cross of Cotton Tee. Oh, I totally forgot to show you this little tag on the inside. Yeah. Just a wash tag. Some little info. Alright. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it sort of works with these shorts and everything. What do you guys think? I definitely like the back graphic. I love the front graphic the most. I've been waiting for this to redrop or for him to drop a new version of this. He's been holding that monochrome one on his website for the longest time. I didn't really want a black monochrome version of it. I wanted that actual skin tone. I wanted the colors in there. He put Jesus in red, which is, you know, amazing because in the story he was put a robe on, like this one guy who was condemning him to death, whatever, put a robe on him. So yeah, it's cool. I like it. Yeah, if you guys have any like spiritual questions, I spent like the first 25 years of my life just diving into the spirit realm or what people had written about it and everything like that, specifically Christianity. With this channel, you'll see me kind of grow and kind of change from this person that was more focused on like strictly just Jesus, and now I'm more about all of the different philosophers, all the different science and way of life, and just just making overall the world a better place left for our children and just for us now. Like creating a time here on earth where we can live in a utopia where we care about each other. We're thinking about each action. I mean, our life, think of it as an artboard. Think about each stroke. You're painting this beautiful picture of what? Or are you not painting a beautiful picture? Maybe it's a horrendous, terrible tragedy of a photo or of an art piece. Maybe it doesn't even resemble art and you haven't even picked up a paintbrush yet. Each and every action matters. Every single thing that you do just has somewhat of a ripple effect, and you don't know how far that ripple is going to travel or how far it could potentially go, because actions aren't exactly like water. They don't have a variable that we can easily define. It's just shot in the dark, bro. And so I'm gonna keep going into different parts of the world, unreached, spread some positivity and just some love for our fellow man, regardless of their religious views or political views. We just really need to just set that all aside and understand we are human beings, and we want to see each other survive and do well. And yeah, if we can enjoy some cool art pieces, some cool Denim Tears and whatnot, like that's great, and we can go have fun. We should still be able to go out and go to concerts and go to festivals. I mean, I've been going to festivals like my whole life. I mean, obviously all Christian festivals, so it never gets turned up. Well, I shouldn't say that. I mean, they do their best. I mean, they do really try hard. They just Lecrae is great. Like his sets live are amazing. But really, we just need to like follow rules. If there's rules in place, we should just kind of respect that, especially if we want to keep everybody safe. I mean, breaking rules a lot of times will hurt other people, and you never know. Like, you got to think about the rule. Like, maybe it's there for a reason. Maybe, there's supposed to be a cap limit. Maybe there's supposed to be a little bit of social distancing. I mean, I know it's just recommendations, but we can't just blame this on Drake and Travis for whatever. So anyways, I know this was not as much about Denim Tears as I was hoping. Obviously, you can watch some amazing documentaries from Tremaine Emory. He has, like I said, some amazing videos already, just talking about his mission and everything. And I don't want to take any words out of his. I don't want to try to take any words out of his mouth. I'll just tell you my message, and then you can go and find out about his, because his is great as well, and his collaborations and everything he's been doing recently, and obviously his artwork. I mean, I love it. So, anyways, thank you. Thanks for following along, watching until the end, and may peace continue to flood your heart and may you be filled with joy unending, that continues and spreads out to people around you. And even though we live in a broken, twisted world, maybe we can untwist it just a little bit and be those people that are doing some good. So let's try. Anyways, love y'all. Peace.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack, one trying to get a pill. Ever since it changed my life. I'ma walk that walk, boy, tryna get it right, tryna do right now. If it's working,